Where did summer go? The school year is here again. Kids back in class, teachers helping them learn. But many of the items children need to be successful in school come from here, a farm.
So when you think about it, agriculture really does send your child to school. If it's the paper that they use, the pencils that they use, the food that they eat, the clothing that they wear, all of that is thanks to agriculture.
Lisa Stearns with the UT Institute of Agriculture is one of the people behind Magic Moments, an awareness campaign for Tennessee farming. Tennessee Magic Moments is to point out agriculture's indelible footprint on our daily lives. And certainly there's a tie-in with ag and education.
School life is just full of magic moments, and those, in our opinion, are ag moments. And so we really do like that connection to school.
Consider, too, the impact of forestry in the classroom. Trees are used to produce pencils and paper and books, but also the flooring and the desk and furniture. From cotton, we get those new jeans and sweaters. But then there may be the most surprising item of all. From just 1 acre of soybeans, you get 82,000 crayons.
Crayons, yes, they are made with soybeans. Actually, it's soybean oil. It makes it non-toxic.
Gina Thompson with the Tennessee Soybean Promotions Board points out soybeans are used for biodiesel to fuel school buses. The crop also, of course, is used in cooking.
Vegetable oil is used mainly in cooking just about everything these days, and the vegetable oil is actually soybean oil.
And that brings us to the most important thing agriculture produces for school children: healthy foods.
Food is essential to the growth of a child. Food is essential to their brain health. And so providing a great breakfast and then, of course, a great lunch is extremely important. And we see our role in agriculture as really providing that safe, healthy food for children.
One of the most important things we do as a society is educate our future generations. To do well in the classroom, children need to be healthy and they need materials. And as agriculture provides, students learn. This is Charles Denny reporting.